Physical education is an integral part of the education program purposely to promote the optimum development of an individual, physically, socially, emotionally, and mentally through total movement of properly selected physical activities. Andin, 2002.
Vision of City College of Calapan, Center of Inclusive Education in Building Discipline and Good Character for God and Humanity. It means that City College is a school who accept diverse groups of students, no matter what is your gender identity, no matter what is your skin color, no matter where you come from, no matter you have disabilities or not, City College will accept you and treat you equally. They will help you to build discipline and have a good character. Mission of the City College of Calapan. So I choose the first one, to foster the intellectual, moral, social, and creative life of its student through quality, accessible, and affordable education. It means that kung dati is may kaalaman ka na, City College will help you to have a deeper understanding about it. And also City College help you to be creative because they will teach you to have a critical thinking skill and always to think outside the box. And also, City College offer um, free education due to the scholarship that they will give to you. So, City College will provide you a quality education and have a accessible and affordable education. Philosophy of City College of Calapan. We create possibilities for lifelong learning. So it only means that the student from City College of Calapan learn how to be adaptable in what kind of situation they may face or challenges they may face. They will always find way um, to uh, to face that kind of situation or problem. So yeah, so it only means being adaptable.